Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a BMW 1 Series. First, gather your essential tools, including a 24mm wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a drain pan. You'll also need 5 to 7 liters of the correct synthetic engine oil and a new oil filter. Park your BMW on a level surface and let the engine cool for about 30 minutes. Safely raise the vehicle using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands for access. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, typically a 17mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting the oil flow completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the area, replace the drain plug with a new washer, and tighten it to 25 Newton meters. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. The oil filter housing is usually on top of the engine. Use your oil filter removal tool to unscrew the cap. Carefully pull out the old filter element and its O-rings. Make sure to replace all 3 O-rings with the new ones provided with your filter. Lubricate the new O-rings with a little fresh oil. Insert the new filter, then screw the cap back on, tightening it to 25 Newton meters. Finally, let's add the new oil. Remove the oil filler cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Slowly pour in about 5 to 7 liters of the correct synthetic engine oil. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, then check for any leaks. Verify the oil level using your BMW's electronic dipstick or a physical dipstick if equipped, ensuring it's within the correct range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.